Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat, Standard 7, Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 5, Lines and Angles. In previous lecture, we learned about the introduction up to topic 5.2.2. Let's we begin with topic 5.2.3, Adjacent Angles. In this figure you can see one book. This is one book. When you open book, it look like a above figure. In A and B we find a pair of angles placed next to each other. So in this book you can see that there is one angle A and another angle is B. So the place next to the each other, and this is the steering of the four wheel. Okay, so look at this steering. At the center of the wheel you find the three angles being formed lying next to the one another. So this is one angle, this is another angle, and this is a third one angle. So these three are the angle at both the vertical vertices A and B. We find a pair of angles are placed next to each other. These angles such that first one is they have common vertex. So here you can see that they have common vertex. And next one is they have common arms. So here this is these two angles have, this is a common arms, and the non-common arms are one of the either side of the common arm. So non-common arms are an either side of the common arm. Okay, such pair of an angles are called adjacent angle. So this kind of angle are known as adjacent angle, which angle have one common arm and another's are free. Okay, so these kind of angles are known as adjacent angles. So adjacent angles have a common vertex and a common arm but no common interior points. So they have not common interior points. These kind of points, they have not common interior points. In this figure, first one, are the angle mark 1 and 2 are adjacent. So in this angle you have to see 1 and 2 are adjacent or not. If they are not adjacent, say why they are not adjacent. Okay, here you can see that this is the common angle, common vertices, and this is the common arm between the two angles, and another and no any point are the common. So this is the adjacent angle. This is also, this is, it have one common vertices. Okay, and one common arm, and two sides are free and another points are not common. So you can say that this is the adjacent. In this it is not possible because 1 and 2 angle have no common vertices. In the next, AOB and BOC are adjacent angles because it have one common vertices and one common side. So these two angles are adjacent angles. Okay, then next, these two angles are also adjacent angles, BOC and DOC. Then next, these three angles are not adjacent angle because the first and last have no common sides. So these are the adjacent angle. Okay, so in this way you can just identify the angle which are adjacent or not. Here you can see that this first angle and the last angle, they are not what common vertices because they take the 2 as a wall and 1 is not wall. Then after take this angle, these have one common vertices and one common sides, and these two sides are free, so you can say that these are the adjacent angle. In this way you can justify that this is common or not. Okay, so in this way, linear pair. In the linear pair, a pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. So in this linear pair you can see one figure. This is one line and angle 1 and 2 are lying on between this line and one line is common. So in this kind of pair is known as linear pair because their two non-common sides make one proper line. So this kind of pair is known as linear pair. In this figure you can see that the 2 and 1 are non-linear because they have the non-common sides not making a one proper line. So this is known as non-linear pairs. Okay, so this is non-linear pair. We see the reason. In figure 5.11 of 1 above observe that the opposite rays, which are the non-common sides of 1 and 2 from line, thus 1 and 2 amounts to 180. The angle in a linear pair are supplementary. Here they are the supplementary. Note carefully that a pair of supplementary angles from a linear pair when placed adjacent to each other. So do you find examples of linear pair in your daily life? Okay, so we take daily life examples. So here a vegetable chopping board, the chopping blade makes a linear pair opposite angle with board. So this is the chopper which cut out the vegetables, and this is the board. With the help of this kind of chop board you can say that a vegetable can be cut easily. So angle between these two, there is one common line and the non-common lines make the one linear pair. So here one pen stand, this is a pen stand and this is the board of that pen stand, they make the linear pair. Okay, so in this way these two angles are linear angle because the non-commons arm make the one proper line and the common line is one simple. So in this way you can say that these are the linear pair. Check which of the following pairs of an angle from a linear pair. So here you can see that these two angles are making linear pair because the angle between the summation of these two angles is 180. So you can say that 140 plus 40, that is 180, and the non-common side makes the one line. So this is the linear pair. Here 90 plus 60 not making 180. So this is not linear pair. Another 90 plus 80, that is a 170. So it is below 180. So the sum of these two angles are not 180. So these are not a linear pair. Then after 150 plus 65, so 65 plus 15, that is a 190. So 180. So these are the linear pair. In this way you can identify that this angle is linear or not. Okay, thank you so much.